Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is DUI Karen gets busted without a license, completely loses it.
On July 23rd, 2023, officers conducted a traffic stop on an impaired driver.
Can I help you? Is everything all right?
I'm totally fine, but from your lights behind me, I didn't see someone trying to pass me. You scared me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Like, I was totally fine.
Okay.
But then from the lights behind me, I didn't know if it was an idiot trying to pass me.
No, I just came up behind you because I was just watching the way you were driving and stuff.
And I couldn't tell from your lights behind me. Like, it looked like they were off-kiltered. So I didn't think it was a cop.
Okay.
Otherwise, I absolutely would be respectful. But I kind of got scared. So I don't want to be in anyone's way.
Sure. You got your driver's license on you, ma'am, and your proof of insurance, please?
I'm just live right down here in Gardner.
Okay. Can I get your driver's license, please? What's your name, ma'am?
Well, if I do all this, I'm going to jail.
Why is that?
It just lives right down the road.
Okay. Is this your car?
Yeah.
It is your car?
Can I just go home?
Well, I just want you to answer some questions. Is this your car?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just want to go home.
Okay.
And I'm almost home.
Okay. Can you get your driver's license for me, and then we can work through it together, okay? That's all I want from you right now.
I'm not going to get to go home.
Who said that? Why is that?
I'm right down the road from home.
Well, why are you saying you're not going to be able to get to go home?
You were behind me, messing with me.
I wasn't messing with you. I just told you a reason why I stopped you, and then you took off at a high rate of speed.
I know,
and that's when I stopped you.
I thought there was an idiot behind me, so I'm trying to get out of his way.
Okay. Yeah, how about you just get your driver's license for me, and then we can work on getting you out of here, okay?
You can follow me home.
No, I need to know who I'm speaking with. What's that?
Can you just...
I gotta look at something real quick, because someone said something, as this video plays, I'm gonna let the video play, but I'm gonna look something up, because someone in my comment section said something very similar and kind of brought this to my attention. And as she just said this, it made me start to think. Someone said something along the lines of, we did a video maybe a couple days ago, or maybe last week sometime. I don't know. These videos just blend together, man. But someone said, why does everyone think that the police can just follow you home? And I wanna read that comment again, but I'm gonna let it play, because yeah, it's like this lady said, can you just follow me home? And I instantly thought about that comment.
Follow me home right...
See, you don't think I read the comments. I know you think I don't read the comments. Listen, if you got a heart from me, then I read the comment. If you don't get a heart, then I didn't read it. I'm glad that I'm not glad, but it's I wish I was a bigger channel, but this channel is still at a point to where I can read all of the comments, at least most of them. Every comment I don't get to, but I would say that I probably see at least 80% of the comments. And so some certain comments just be sticking out to me,
Down the road.
Okay, Kim, how about I tell you what? How about you get your driver's license for me, and I'll check all that out, and then we can figure out what we're going to do from here on out.
That doesn't happen. You can't just follow me a mile down the road.
I can't follow you unless I know who you are.
So I'm going to jail.
I never said you were going to jail. I never said one time that you're going to jail. I never even brought up going to jail.
What if I don't have a license? I'm going to jail.
Why wouldn't you have a driver's license? Are you suspended? Are you revoked or something? Or do you not have a license on you?
So I'm going to jail.
No, I'm just asking if you have a license or any form of identification.
So I don't, so I'm going to jail.
Who said you were going to jail?
She knows she going to jail. That's why.
Me.
Why are you saying that?
I'm a mile away from home.
Okay. Well, you don't have a driver's license. How about I just get your name? Is that okay?
I don't want to go to jail, sir.
Okay. I'm not saying you are going to jail.
Well, I would absolutely go to jail.
Okay. How about, what's your first name? Is it Kimberly? Or is it, what is it?
I don't have a name.
You have to give me your name.
I don't have it. I'm gonna go to jail.
Here, can I get another?
I'm gonna go to jail.
Okay. All right. How about you step out of the car for me, okay?
Oh, I don't want to go to jail.
I never said you were going to jail.
I'm gonna go to jail. I don't want to go to jail.
I never said you were. I don't know why you're assuming you're just gonna go to jail. All right. How about you step out and we just have a conversation? That's all.
Okay. I found it. See, you didn't think I was going to find it. I found it, though. Here we go. So we did a video the other day. Oops. Where this lady, and another drunk lady or whatever the case. And, yeah. So someone commented and said, why do they always think an officer will ever follow them home? I instantly thought of this just now. I'm like, damn, this person said that. This video came out 3 days ago? Yeah. Oh, no, 4 days ago. Yeah. So about 4 days ago. But yeah, this person commented this. Come on, man. Like, look, see, everybody that gets a heart, it's comments that I have seen. If you don't get a heart, then I didn't read your comment. I didn't see it. But yeah, this was just instantly I thought about that. I'm like, wow, that's so crazy. Anyway, let's get back to this video here.
Yeah, so you can.
I'm gonna try it. So I'm gonna try and make sure. No, I'm gonna try and make sure you're okay to get home.
No, you're not. You're a liar.
I'm not lying to you.
Bullshit.
No, I gotta make sure you're okay to drive. That's all.
I just want to go home.
Okay.
I live a mile up the road.
Okay. We can have a conversation if you step out of the car
You're
for me.
a liar.
I'm not lying.
You're a liar.
I'm not lying.
Yeah, you are.
No, I swear, I'm not lying to you.
I live a mile up to the road.
Okay. Okay. So you're going to step out of the car for me?
Why? So you can put cuffs on me?
I never said that. I never said anything.
You don't have to say that. I'm going to run in the woods.
You're not going to run into the woods.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. Nope. If you do that, I'm going to. You're not running from anywhere.
I'm not going to jail.
7 and 39. Are you guys both en route?
I'm not going to jail.
I never said you were going to go to jail.
I'm running into the woods.
You're not running into the woods. Yeah, you guys are both going to need to start this way. I never said you're going to go to jail. I just want to talk to you. How do you know I'm not going to just give you a ride home?
I have a license.
Okay, well, you don't even tell me your name.
Because I don't have a license and I'm a mile away from.
Okay, well, so what?
What?
I said, so what if you don't have a driver's license? It's not a big deal or nothing.
No, I'm not going to.
How do you know I wouldn't just write you a ticket and then just give you a ride home? How do you know that? You don't know that because you won't give me the benefit of the doubt.
If you have a license, you automatically go to jail.
No, you don't. No, you don't. Not at all. That's not how that works. What's that?
You're lying.
No, you know how many times I've cut people just tickets and let them go or given them a ride home just because of the simple fact they haven't had a driver's license? It's not that big of a deal.
Yes, it's.
No, it's not. It really isn't. It's a simple citation is all that is. And who even said I'd give you a ticket? Why don't you just step out and come back there and talk with me?
Because you're going to arrest me.
I'm not going to arrest you. I never said I was going to arrest you.
My German Shepherd is waiting at home for me.
Just calm down.
My dog doesn't have no one but me. My German Shepherd is my baby is waiting at home for me.
Step out of the car for me, please.
You're going to arrest
Mrs. Chernovic, can you step out of the car? I'm trying to have a conversation with you, and I'd prefer to have this conversation outside. Okay, so this is what's gonna happen, okay?
You're gonna
No,
arrest.
can you just listen to me, please?
You're gonna arrest.
No, can you just listen
I
to me?
just gotta go a mile home.
Can you
I
listen
got
to me?
my German
Okay.
Shepherd waiting for
Can you
me.
just listen
There's
to me?
no one there to take the dog out.
I'm gonna ask you one more time politely to step out of the vehicle.
I'm not gonna get arrested.
I'm asking you to step out of
Am
the
I
vehicle.
gonna get arrested?
Let's do one thing at a time.
Am I gonna get
Here's the
arrested?
deal. If you don't get out of the car, you're gonna get arrested.
Yes.
If I step out, am I gonna get arrested?
If you don't get out of the car, you're gonna get arrested.
One way or another. If you don't
But I'm
wanna
gonna
listen,
get arrested.
You're gonna get arrested. Okay, so if you
But
don't
if
get
I-
out of the car, you're
I got my-
definitely getting arrested. So
But
step
I'm
out of
getting
the car.
arrested either way.
No, that's not.
That's not what I'm saying.
Okay.
I'm
lying.
asking you politely to step out
I
of the
have a
vehicle.
German Shepherd at
That's
home,
fine.
and no one's coming home to her.
Okay.
mommy.
You
No
gonna
one-
step out now?
You're gonna
Okay, give me.
arrest
No, let me see your hand. You stepped out politely. I just want to make sure you don't fall. Okay, now we're gonna walk to the front of my car. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So can you stand over here for me?
Which
Okay.
way, sir?
That's fine. Just how you're standing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check your eyes. Okay.
Okay.
I want you to focus on the tip of my finger. Okay. Can you see the tip of my finger? Follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Keep your feet together. Okay. Don't move your head.
Oh yeah.
Don't
Wanna
keep
go home?
watching.
Wait, is that a drink she got on the hood? Is that a drink in a bottle? Oh yeah, you going to jail. talking about I gotta get home to my German Shepherd. Okay. Yeah, you going to jail. Go sober up.
I want to go home to my baby.
Keep
Guys,
watching. Okay.
I got you. I'm good. I'm so good. Thank you.
Okay. So for the next test, what I want you to do is we're gonna use this line right here for reference. This white line. Okay.
Home to my dog.
Okay. We're gonna work on that. Okay. Would you wish to continue?
Yes.
Okay. So what I want you to do is I want you to draw an imaginary straight line from here to the front of my car, okay? But I want
Imaginary.
yes,
I'm
you can
already
use that
slow.
white line. You can use that white line for reference, okay? Well, how about we
What
just
does
use
that
this?
mean?
Okay, Kim, how about we just use this white line for
Who
reference?
draws an imaginary line? So I'm this stupid. I already told you I'm stupid.
I never said you were stupid.
I'm telling you I'm stupid. So what is
Okay.
an
I
imaginary?
say the same exact
What is
thing
an
to everybody else.
imaginary line?
I say the same exact spiel to everybody else that I run through field
I'm
sobriety.
sure you do.
I do. I
But
have
what is
plenty of
an
camera footage to back it up.
imaginary line?
Okay, well we don't have to use an imaginary one because there's a white solid line that you can use right there.
I don't get that.
Okay. So when I tell you to begin, I want you to take 9.
Wait. When you said imaginary line, that means I could be over here and do it?
Yep, if you wish. Go ahead. If you wish.
How is that? Now let me try to do this. Wait, I can't. But I want to try.
Okay.
But
Okay.
I want to do it again.
Okay.
I did it 3 times.
Okay, don't touch me, okay?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm a hugger.
Okay.
What are you saying? I'm sorry. 9 what?
9 heel to toe steps.
What is 9 heel?
I'm going to demonstrate for you if you let me get to that portion,
I
okay?
never heard that in my life, so I'm sorry. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're done.
No,
turn around.
no.
Come on.
No.
You know how annoyed the cop has to be for the cop to end the field sobriety test? Do you understand how annoyed he has to be? Because it's only in their best interest to go through the whole field sobriety test because it helps build their story. You got the dummies on the street who voluntarily do field sobriety tests who you shouldn't, but whatever, because it's voluntary. You don't have to do them. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. For the cop to want to terminate the field sobriety test, which is something that just strengthens his case, he has to be so annoyed with you. Like, he's just done.
You're done. You're done. Stop. You're done.
I'm doing what you're saying.
You're done.
No,
Your
please.
hands behind
No,
your
my dog
Your
is
hands
at home.
behind your back.
Please, sir. Please. Please.
Put your hands behind your back.
My dog is
Knock it
out.
off.
We're gonna help you up, okay? He's an adult. Knock it off. We're gonna help you up. We're gonna help you
I
up.
can do it. I did it. I walked.
I've given you plenty of opportunities.
I didn't understand what he was saying.
Because you're so intoxicated. That's why. 7 Mark 95.
No, so you're making my German Shepherd be at home alone.
We'll call somebody.
You're making my German Shepherd. I didn't understand what they say. 9 stuff. I didn't know what that meant. So you were waiting to do this all along.
Well, that's because
You're a liar.
you don't have a license either. Come on. Yeah, you're also
Walk with me.
So why did you
Walk.
even fuck with me?
Walk. Come on.
Why are you giving my arm a bruise?
Because you're not listening to me. You're not walking with me.
I was trying. You lied. I hate you.
Get off.
I hate you. My dog, Tank. I love you, Tank. I'm sorry.
We're gonna lift you into the car.
My dog.
I'm telling you right
That's a bad idea. That is a bad idea.
I'm already arrested. My dog is home alone.
Do you want to?
You don't care. Why is the German Shepherd a calm down?
Go.
You're hurting me!
Get in the car.
Why is the German Shepherd a calm dog?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
The woman was charged with driving without a valid license, a DUI, and resisting arrest.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable. That's what you get. Well, I wonder, why'd she lose her license? Or like, why? It's already bad enough that you're driving without a license, but it's a big deal. But the DUI is a bigger deal. We'll put it like that. Okay. Driving without a driver's license. You in some trouble, yeah, a little bit, but driving without a driver's license and driving under the influence, yeah, you're done. You're not getting out of that. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.